So I sometimes get a lot of nice words from my conquerors who've been with me for years, or the ones who are no longer being coached by me, but they still reach out and say, I just want to let you know you changed my life. I don't ask them how usually, so I don't know. But in general, my superpower is actually taming chaos. That's what I consider myself. I'm an attorney too by background, so attorneys take chaos and make something out of it, to organize it. So I'm good at systemizing things, and that's what I'm teaching, kind of coaching people to do. So sometimes entrepreneurs in a small business, they come in a lot of chaos, and I help them to tame it and actually gain their life back and gain control over that business, so you're not feeling like it's dragging you forward, then you can actually propel it forward yourself. And I believe that's probably what most people appreciate about my coaching. When I'm dead? Well, when I'm dead, people will say that I probably help them by kind of pushing them. I'm known to not be very nurturing, but I'm more like a pusher. So they'll say, and some people actually need it, not everybody, but some people definitely need to be pushed. And they would say that I push them in the right direction, hopefully, and that they gain their wings because of that. They know they gain the strength and confidence that they can do that. Because I watch people go from kind of struggling in their own business and then suddenly gaining a lot of traction, feeling better about themselves, growing their company, starting another company, started buying other companies, and then they encounter themselves from 5 years ago, and they'll say like, oh, that guy, he just doesn't know anything about systems, and I'm gonna just buy him out, right? So it's just to see that person transform like this internally, it's very powerful. So I think that's probably what they're gonna say in my eulogy. That's how they changed through me. The most powerful transformations to conquer. Let's see. Well, I have a lot of anecdotes, but yes, I had clients who, for example, when they first joined, they have a small business that's successful and has a lot of traction, but there's certain things they don't do. For example, they didn't pay themselves to themselves. And they are saying something like, you don't understand, I'm reinvesting in my business. And I would say, do not even talk to me. Go back, just disconnect right now. Do not schedule one-on-one with me until you start paying yourself. And then you come back and we can start coaching further. And so the other day I had a call with the same conquerors, and they're paying, each of them paying, the two partners $80,000. And they're thinking like, oh, it's kind of not enough, we should just pay more. So I think it's just in a few, years that we've been together. And I think that's a lot of fun. Again, I have really good memory. So I still remember when I told them not to even show up until they start paying themselves. So now to hear them say like, it's 80, but it's not enough, I'm like, I remember otherwise. So I love it.